What you doing, buddy? He's just been out in the forest flying around in the trees, and now he wants to cool off on a hot day, so Peeps likes his indoor bath. He's also got the outdoor bath going on. Look at him. You can see his robin spots. The baby spots are starting to go now. Here, buddy. Hi.
Ask if, like, do people know if robins' feathers molt? Do they
I wonder.
molt?
But he's definitely, the spots are disappearing. I can see them
Yeah,
going.
they are.
And he's making the
But
robin.
it looks like on his head there's a little spot that he's losing his feathers.
He could be molting. What
But
you
he's
doing?
also growing feathers, so it's weird. On top of his head, he's like he has a little toupee now. Right?
Yeah, he's hilarious. Look at him. What are you doing? You are one funny bird. That's as close up as you're ever going to get to an American robin. Oh, you just flashed me. Here you go.
Okay.
I think he's done. Now he's going to dry off. Thanks for watching. That's Peeps the Robin. That's his favorite spot right there. He's a funny little bird. And he does free fly. He's out flying around in the forest. And then he comes inside and does his thing. Cheers.